Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 45, Triangles, Section B, Tough. Let's start. In given triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC. A is right angled. A is right angle means this is also right angle and these two are also right angles. Therefore, AD square equals to AD square. Okay. Only this will be given to you in the exam. This you have to draw. So what we have to do? AD and BC relationship is given. So what you do is ABD, this triangle, and CBA or CAD basically. CAD, this triangle. You draw these two triangles and find out the similarity. This one angle is common. So let's see. No angle is common as such. Let's see. In triangle ABC, angle C equals to 90 minus angle B. C equals to 90 minus angle B, right? Okay. In triangle ABD, angle A equals to 90 minus angle B, right? ABD, this smaller angle, is this over here, 90 minus B. Therefore, triangle ABD similar to triangle CAD, right? Why? AA test. Two angles are congruent. Therefore, AD upon CD, AD upon CD for this triangle equals to BD upon AD, BD upon AD, right? CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. Therefore, AD square equals to BD into CD, right? So that's what is required. AD square equals to BD into CD. Next, triangle ABC is a right triangle, right angled at C. ABC, right triangle, right angled at C. If P is the length of the perpendicular from C to AB and small ABC have usual meanings. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.